Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'm going to walk you through how to find your Klaviyo form ID. Whether you're setting up a new form or trying to integrate it with another platform, knowing your form ID is a crucial step. Fortunately, the process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you know exactly where to find it. Let's get started. First up, we need to navigate to the main dashboard of your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options that help you manage your account. Among these, you will find the Sign Up Forms tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is the section where all your forms are listed, whether they're ones you've previously created or ones you're currently working on. Next, you'll want to locate the specific form you're interested in. Browse through your list of forms and click on the one you need. This will open up the form in a new page, allowing you to make any necessary edits or adjustments. However, for our purpose today, we're just here for the form ID, so no need to make any changes. Now, with the form open, direct your attention to the top of your browser window. Here, you'll see the URL address bar. The URL you see here contains the key to finding your form ID. The address will be a long string of characters and numbers, and your unique form ID is located right at the very end of this string. It consists of 6 characters, and it's easy to spot once you know what to look for. And there you have it. That 6-character code at the end of the URL is your form ID. It's a simple yet crucial piece of information when you're working with Klaviyo forms, especially when you're integrating them with other tools or platforms. Make sure to jot it down or keep it handy for whenever you need it. To recap, all it takes is a few clicks. Head to the Sign Up Forms tab, open up your specific form, and check the end of the URL in your browser's address bar. It's really that simple. I hope this guide has made it easy for you to locate your Klaviyo form ID. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore other resources available on Klaviyo's Help Center. Thanks for watching, and happy form managing.